Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, August 17, 2023. Yesterday was a weak day in the markets. We closed down at the lows of the session and we closed below the lower Bollinger Band, which is an oversold type of indicator. So we're going to take a look at those two pieces of information in today's daily IQ. I've grabbed all four instruments. Our setups based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently the overnight session is pushing higher, so I'm going to go to the opening filters library and click on gap up. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library, and I'm going to say that yesterday closed at the lows of the session. I'm going to do that by going to the active today and finding close in the bottom 10% of the daily range. It's right here. I just clicked on it. It's been added to the test. The next thing I'm going to add is from the indicators library. I'm going to grab two indicators here. The first one is going to be that day after a close below the lower Bollinger Band. And then the second one I'm going to grab is the longer term moving average above a 200-day simple moving average. So I'm going to grab those two. By definition, I think we'll be below a 10 on all of these where you're closing below a Bollinger Band. So I'm not going to add that. And then I'm going to click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you are gapping up when the prior day closed at the lows of its trading range and below a lower Bollinger Band, but above a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we have 37 samples here in the S&P, 40 in the NASDAQ, 31 in the Dow, 35 in the Russell. Win rates on these coming in a little bit favored. 65% for the S&P have closed above the opening print for the day. 60% for the NASDAQ have closed above the opening print. It's 55% for the Dow, 57% for the Russell. If we look at the average moves, average move to the downside is larger than the average move to the upside. That's also the case here in the NASDAQ, in the Dow, and in the Russell. So all four of them have larger average moves to the downside, and the win rates on them are all at least slightly favored. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.